Hello, hi there. Today I'm going to talk to you about the subjective and the objective types of assessment or questions. Now, when we talk about the subjective type, it's like a short or long essay. And why do we call them subjective? Because basically it depends on the perception of the teacher or the assessor who's generating or putting those questions. And also because human being is going to correct those questions, the teachers or the assessors, then it depends on the way they perceive the solutions that have been provided by the candidates or students. So different teachers perceive different answers differently. Now, why again we call those subjective questions or subjective assessments supply type? Because the students or candidates will provide the solutions by writing the solutions down on the paper. On the other hand, the objective types are called the objectives because they are independent of the perception of the teacher while correcting those types of questions. And very often we use multiple choice, true and false, fill in the blanks, matching, and so on and so forth. So they are independent of the teacher's perception when it comes to correcting those types of questions. And again, why do we call them selection type questions? Because the student will only select the correct answers among those questions for each and every type. Whether it's multiple choice, he will be picking one choice. If it's true and false, he will pick either true or false. If it's matching, he will be matching, which means basically selecting, and so forth. So this is one way to classify or stratify the different types of assessment and tests. So objective and subjective. We need in education both of them. It's not a question of just saying this is better than this and this is better than that. No, we need both of them in the field of education and training. And it depends on what we would like to test. And the nature of the subject, again, will tell, and whether it's a final exam, a midterm exam, or a short quiz. So these ingredients all together will determine which type of questions we should give for students to solve and eventually, or at the end of the day, grade them. Have a good day.